In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record customer deposits in QuickBooks Online. Recording customer deposits correctly is really important because it keeps your bank balance, customer balances, and reports accurate. A customer deposit is usually money you receive before you've delivered a product or service in full. In many cases, this should be treated as a liability, not income yet, because you still owe something to the customer. I'll walk you through exactly how to enter this in QuickBooks Online so everything ties out later when you issue the final invoice. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, look for the New button. It's usually at the top left or top center of the screen. Click New, and from the options that appear, choose Bank Deposit. This form is where you tell QuickBooks exactly what money hit your bank and how it should be categorized. At the top of the bank deposit screen, you'll see a field labeled Account. This is the bank account where the customer actually sent the money. Open that drop-down and select the correct checking or savings account. Take a quick moment to double-check you're choosing the same bank that appears on your bank statement. This will make reconciliation much easier later. Next, enter the date of the deposit. Use the actual date the money landed in your bank, not the date you're entering it in QuickBooks. Using the correct date keeps your cash flow and month-end reports accurate. Then, in the Detail section of the deposit screen, go to the Received From column and choose the customer who paid you. This links the deposit to the right customer profile so you can keep track of their activity over time. Now move to the Account column on that same line. Here, you'll choose where this money should go in your books. If you've created a liability account called Customer Deposits, select that. This treats the deposit as something you owe back in the form of future products or services. If you don't have that set up, you can instead choose Accounts Receivable. That option links the deposit to customer transactions you'll apply later when you create or receive payment against an invoice. Once the account is selected, type in the amount of the deposit in the Amount column. Make sure it matches exactly what hit your bank, especially if you're batching multiple deposits on the same day. When everything looks correct, click Save and Close. Your customer deposit is now recorded properly in QuickBooks Online and will be ready to match when you reconcile your bank and apply it to future invoices.